and good breakfast. That's good. That's good. So we're on our way to Fort Presidents. It's gonna take us about 35 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes to get there. It's up in the mountains. The place will look very familiar or similar to you in a sense. There are pine trees. You would say, oh, ये तो पाकिस्तान में भी था, क्या करना है मैं? But you don't have those four presidents in Pakistan, so that's different. Once we get there, it's a big place. We'll have around 2 hours or less to explore the place. There's a walking trail, and there's a lot of time for pictures and dances or talking, whatever you want to do.
Sir, why did you mention that?
वो क्या कहते हैं चोर के दाढ़े पे क्या होता है? When we get there, there are guest tours, ice cream places, food court, a museum. There's a presentation, a video presentation, an auditorium inside under the platform. You can go and sit. It's interesting to see the history of the whole construction that we went through. It took around 40 years to build up, and many years. And interestingly, President Trump wanted to have his bus there too, but didn't happen. I'm glad. Because it's too complicated to put hairs on it. That's a different style, right? Yeah. So, there's a walking trail, and I like that part because you get to walk around and see everything very close. It's interesting. You see a lot of people, tourists. It's a beautiful place. It's a good memory. So capture it in your cameras or now phones. I think the building, inside the building, they have Wi-Fi. Probably you can connect and go live. And you can do reporting, like that guy from Karachi was reporting. Chan Nawab. Yes. अंदरूनी पाकिस्तान से सब लोग ईद मनाने कराची जा रहे. अरे हटो यार.
बांध नहीं गया आपने बांध.
Yes. Yeah. Fluffy. Waqar, you said something?
I like this place as well, but here is a little bit fear here.
कोई बात नहीं. ड्रामा चला जाएगा.
ये रात वाले ड्रामे से नहीं निकला अभी तक.
Sir, I am very innocent wife. सर उसके दवा से तो हम उधर पहुंचे.
वो बेचारा भी लोग शौक में है.
सर वकास की बदला से बचो. ये हमें पता चल गया वकास की बदला से बचो.
पता नहीं कितने नफले पड़ेंगे वकास ने. अल्लाह अल्लाह ने इसको ये करो उसको वो करो. लगी बदला उसकी.